Do you still have your lighting fixtures shipped to the job site on wood pallets? Are your electricians spending valuable time opening the fixture boxes? How about throwing all that cardboard away? Don't forget about having to lug all those individual fixtures around. Well, not anymore. Monarch Electric Company presents you with the Lighting Fixture Cart. This ergonomic material handling cart was specifically designed for light fixtures. It keeps your fixtures more secure, it's safer for electricians, and it eliminates the need to carry fixtures throughout the install site. Say goodbye to those wood pallets. Save time on any project by transporting all light fixtures right to the install site. It can be stocked with enough fixtures for the whole job. Your install team can transport unpacked fixtures throughout their projects. And the fixtures are already unpacked, so no damage is concealed by cardboard packaging. Just push the easy rolling unit from one install site to the next. The slim profile rolls right through standard door frames, and the heavy-duty casters ensure smooth travel wherever the job takes you. Save time, save money, and save the hassle of doing it yourself. Use a lighting fixture cart. Contact your salesperson to find out more. Brought to you by Monarch Electric Company. Your jobs, our solutions.